Hello, my name is Rashay Jacobs. I'll be performing a monologue that I wrote myself in a playwriting intensive class, and the character that I'll be portraying is myself. You know those little fears or phobias that people have? Well, I have a phobia. It's called astrophobia. And what is it? You may say it is the fear of lightning and thunderstorms. Yeah. Go ahead and say it. Say what, Sora? Come on. Astrophobia? Don't you think that's a little ridiculous? Yeah. It does, but you don't understand. This fear, it scares me. Terrifies me to the point where it causes me anxiety, and I just start scratching so vigorously to the point where I start to bleed, and I don't realize that I'm bleeding until it just goes quiet. So, to calm myself down, I lock myself in the room, lie down on the ground, and close my eyes and pretend that I am surrounded by a glowing white light, and suddenly I just feel protected. What was that? Did you just hear lightning? No, hey, please tell me it just can't be lightning. Right now, I really want to scratch so badly and just go into my room and close my eyes and pretend that I am not here. But no, I choose to sit here and face my fears and talk to you. Because apparently it's comforting. So people say. Honestly, I am so envious of you. I mean, you don't have to do anything. You're not afraid of anything. Not even thunder and lightning. I looked up that plants love thunderstorms. In fact, lightning helps to fertilize their soil, and it stimulates plant growth. I mean, honestly, what am I even doing? I'm talking to a freaking plant. I'm jealous of a freaking plant. A plant that can't even talk. I know that you're sitting there judging me right now, and I'm sorry. It's just that you don't have to pretend that the lightning doesn't even bother you. I mean, how do you do it? How do you just pretend? I mean, I have been dealing with this issue since I was 5 years old, and nothing, I mean nothing, can help me. Not even therapy. I wonder, what puts fear into your eyes? What causes you fear? What triggers that fear in your body? How do you escape it? I want to learn. I want to be me again. Thank you.